Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video I'll show you a simple way on how to build a form app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating a form app without coding is easier than you might think, especially with tools like Glide. Glide allows you to build and customize your own apps directly from Google Sheets, making it an excellent tool for gathering information through forms. To start creating your form app in Glide, begin by navigating to the left menu on your dashboard, where you'll find the Templates option. Clicking on this will take you to your template page, allowing you to view any existing templates you may have. However, if you're looking for more options, you can access the Template Store by clicking on the Template Store option. This will direct you to the Templates library. Within the Templates library, you'll notice that the templates are neatly organized into different categories for easy browsing. There's also a search bar at the top of the page, which you can use to look for specific templates. Since we're aiming to create a form app, type form into the search bar. Once the search results appear, you can choose from any of the given templates. For this tutorial, let's select the starter form template. Clicking on this will take you to another page where you'll find two options on the right side: Create this app and Preview. Click on Create this app to proceed. You'll then be directed to the editor where you can further customize the template. Within the editor, you'll see three options in the top bar: Data, Layout, and Action. The Data option takes you to the Data section where you can customize the data for the app template. The Layout option allows you to customize the layout of the app template, including the navigation from the left side and product settings from the right side. Here, you can also preview the app in both mobile and desktop modes. Finally, the Action section is where you can add actions to combine multiple steps into a custom workflow. Once you've customized the app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. The Publish button is located at the top right corner of the editor. Click on it to make your app publicly accessible. After publishing, a Share button will appear in the same location. By clicking on this button, you'll have multiple options to share your app, including through a QR code, a direct link, or by inviting users via their email addresses. And that's it. You now have a step-by-step guide on how to build a form app using Glide. This beginner-friendly platform makes app creation accessible and hassle-free. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.